a new home for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself.
Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Delaney and this is Home by Delaney. Today's video I'm sharing part 3 of my 2026 summer decorating series, and we are decorating my lovely coffee bar space. For summer, this is probably one of my favorite areas to decorate for the different seasons and holidays because I am a true coffee lover. So I am implementing, of course, all of my lemons, lots of flowers, sunflowers, daisies, lots of yellow and blue, and then, of course, all things coffee. I'll even be sharing a coffee recipe with you here at the end of the video. So go ahead, sit back, relax, drink some coffee with me, and I hope you enjoy today's video. Thank you so much for being here.
Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way.
So these wood sunflowers are from Hobby Lobby. This When Life Gives You Lemons, Trade Them for Coffee, is one of my favorite finds from Amazon. I will definitely have some of these items that I can linked in my LTK. This Beautiful Day Ray Dunn mug. I don't have too many Ray Dunn mugs left, but I do have a few for every season that I do love, and then I'm just adding in some faux daisies into here that are also from Hobby Lobby.
I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day, cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay, cause I found my way.
And then on this little rack here underneath my floating shelves, this yellow and white gingham towel is from Hobby Lobby, and then these like blue and white, I call it schnoisery, pattern mugs. I feel like these were from World Market. Now these are purely decorative, but every so often I will grab them and put my coffee in them. And then I'm just adding in this little beaded lemon garland that is also from Hobby Lobby.
Cause I found my way. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.
So I'm not changing my tier tray up too much from spring, keeping in my greenery, just trading out the pastel colors for like the white colors. These wood daisies are also from Hobby Lobby. So is that little floral like creamer pitcher and sugar little canister with daisies on them. It's kind of hard to tell, but those are from Hobby Lobby as well. Same thing with my eucalyptus, my white mugs, my little cupcake stands. Those are all Hobby Lobby. All of these drink coffee, do good coffee bar signs. these are all from Target Dollar Spot a few years ago. And then I'm going to be bringing in 2 little espresso mugs that have that blue and white pattern. Now, those were from Home Goods a couple years ago. So I was super excited for that find. But for my tier trays and for like my shelves, I always like to decorate symmetrically and diagonally. So you'll see that pattern throughout my decor, but I just love having a fuller look for my tier trays so that I can see all of my favorite decor items.
Cause I found my way, my way, my way, find my way, my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way, find my way, my way. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.
These little lemon espresso mugs are from Hobby Lobby as well. They have such a cute lemon decor, like kitchen decor selection in their like market square. So definitely check that out if you're looking for some lemon decor.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright.
And yes, we do use both our Keurig and our Nespresso machine. So I have a little gold bar cart here for the Keurig. And keeping it super simple here, I have a little like coffee table book, and then this little lemon tray is from Hobby Lobby, and then I'm just kind of organizing my little canisters and this Hello Coffee sign I keep up here pretty much year round. This was a new find from Hobby Lobby. I just love the gingham pattern or the checkered pattern, and then I've been loving bows. So I feel like it's a theme that you're going to see throughout my decor moving forward. Just the different colors and textures. The bows just make it so fun and definitely feminine.
I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another.
Okay, so I want to share a little Nespresso Virtuo Pod restock. So my everyday go-to is the Malazio, and this is like a medium roast and has a toasted cereal notes. So this is one of my favorites, so I have a few boxes of those. And then for a little seasonal flavor, I got the white chocolate and strawberry. I'm excited to try this. This is a barista creation. So I only got one box of this, but excited to try that. And then I always make iced lattes, or sometimes hot lattes, like at home on the weekends. So I picked up the double espresso scuro. I always get a couple boxes of these. This is like your more traditional espresso shot. And then I also get the double espresso dulce. So this is a more lighter kind of medium espresso shot and has like caramel notes, and I love mixing this with like lighter flavors like hazelnut, honey, just stuff like that. So definitely needed a Nespresso Pod restock. And then I also got a restock on my Jordan Skinny mixes. So these are sugar-free syrups. I love using them for my at-home coffees. So for some more like summery flavors, some of these also go well into fall. So I feel like that is perfect. But I got banana bread. I feel like the banana syrup and coffee has been a big kind of craze lately. And then pistachio latte. If you haven't had any of the pistachio stuff at Starbucks yet, definitely do that. Brown sugar cinnamon. I feel like this is definitely more of like a year-round, but I think it's like a cozy, even fall flavor as well. And then cookie butter. Again, so this is like great for different seasons, but I feel like I can make some really good lattes with this. And then I did stock up on some everyday flavors. My personal favorite is hazelnut. And then I of course had to grab some vanilla, especially for like making like caramel macchiatos and stuff like that. And then I picked this up. I ordered it because it's gonna be here before we know it. So got your girl some pumpkin spice. All right, let's go ahead and restock all of this. To do. I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself now and then. I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer when you left. It was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. All right, now we are going to make a iced banana bread latte. So this lemon icon glass is from Hobby Lobby. And then I am making a little vanilla cold foam in my little milk frother here. So just a couple pumps of vanilla. I used oat milk. I'm pretty much non-dairy. I just prefer the non-dairy, but it does not froth as well for a cold foam, but it still turned out pretty good. So I did a couple pumps of vanilla there and some oat milk, and then for the latte, I'm using a couple pumps of my Jordan's skinny syrup of the banana bread, and then I am adding in one of the dulce espresso shots to give it just a nice, kind of lighter, toasty taste to it. So lattes, super simple, is literally just espresso and milk. So I'm gonna add my double espresso shot, add my milk, some ice, and then add the cold foam on top. And this turned out so good. Definitely a favorite for the summer. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone. I met you in the it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer when you left. It was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone. I met you in the I met you in the And here is a final look of how my summer coffee bar turned out. Again, one of my favorite spots in my entire house to decorate for the different seasons. And I just love the pops of yellow and blue and all the flowers. So thank you so much for watching today's video. Stay tuned for a couple more parts of summer decorating coming very soon and a summer home tour to follow that. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.